I'm Jackie Modern, a chemist at Momar's Research Laboratory in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm going to demonstrate the proper way to test solution strength using the hydroxyl total alkalinity test kit. This test kit is useful with any of our alkaline concentrations such as Thor, Destroyer, Nox Smoke II, Ultranox, Ravage, and Commander. For the purpose of this training, I'll be using Destroyer, which dilutes 1 to 40, and at that dilution should have an alkalinity of 300,000 ppm. In order to achieve an appropriate concentration for this kit, we've completed a 1 to 100 dilution of our 1 to 40 dilution, leaving us with a 1 to 4,000 dilution, which is right here. Be sure that the solution is well mixed so that the sample gathered is representative of the entire solution. We should now be expecting a range of 3,000 to 4,000 ppm, which should equal about 3 to 4 drops. So we're using 25 mils of the dilution to begin with. First, add 20 drops of the barium chloride and swirl to mix. So right here. There we go. Next, we'll add 2 drops of phenolphthalein indicator. And swirl to mix. The solution should turn pink. Then using the low titrant, which is 0.12 normal hydrochloric acid, we'll titrate dropwise while swirling to mix. Our endpoint was 4 drops, which indicates 4,000 ppm, which is in range. To make sure this, you multiply the number of drops times 10 ppm times 100, which will equal the ppm of alkalinity, which is 4,000 ppm. If the alkalinity ppm falls outside of this range, then the dilution should either be further diluted or more product should be added to bring the alkalinity concentration into the acceptable range, and the solution should be retested. Thank you.